South Tura constituency.
The Khadc Executive Committee on Tuesday has decided to release the pending arrears of both the existing and retired employees by next month. Talking to reporters after the meeting of the Executive Committee, Khadc CEM Penyait Singh Siem informed that the funds which will be required to release the pending arrear is Rs 6.5 crore. He also informed that the EC has decided to release the arrears of the 8 former MDCs as per the directive of the High Court. According to him, the council has sanctioned Rs 24 lakh for payment of the arrears of the 8 former MDCs.
The baru ki bahala kentup langru wat ya ke areas jongki pramut ki ex MDC ki bela job ya ke case baki day banyo ya ke pension. The bat kaniru ke areas ke don kumba ap saulak tam. The ringkat bat ki areas jongki present employees ki badang dan mental ki staff ki officer bat kumjuru ke areas ke badai ke benefit dan ke jingyo benta jong ki staff ki bela retired dan ki officers bela retired baru ke kot jan kumban riu kulur shiteng dia kani nak kalian ke isi ila shim da ka wei ka rai ba ngin polite not